Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno 6 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button, so we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, with camera settings at the last position, so we have to open them. Now we have to find advanced settings, and when we tap on them, we get access to flip selfie at the first place, so our mirror effect. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need, and when we need to use this we have to remember that this only works when we use the front camera, so we have to change it from the back to the front one by tapping simply on the button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.